Congratulations! Welcome to the Madi International business-to-business online store. This online store enables you to connect and engage with us 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. You can easily access information and order from us in a matter of minutes. This store offers a smooth shopping experience. In this video, we'll show you how to log into your dashboard, how to navigate the product catalog, creating a new order, quick order, the checkout and billing, how to view your order history, how to view your statement of accounts, and using the customer support. As you can see, there is no complex setup process. We will take care of everything for you. Firstly, click on the Partner Login button. Enter your username and password. Once you have entered your dashboard, you will have an overview of your recent purchases. Next, on the right side, you have the most relevant options to manage your store, such as purchases, wish lists, billings, and so on. To order your products, you can navigate to any of the categories. Or if you have a specific brand, you can also navigate via brands. For example, let's click on Thalgo. Select an item of your choice and click Add to Cart. At this stage, either you can check out with an item or continue shopping. Let's add a few more products to the cart. You have now landed on the checkout page. You can review your items, change the quantity, save an item for later, or remove. If you would like to add additional items, use the Quick Add feature right above the list. Enter the product name or its code and add the item. Let's proceed to the checkout. The checkout process is just 3 easy steps. First, let's select your address. Here, your existing registered address will appear automatically, and you can still add additional addresses of your choice. Your delivery method is also chosen automatically. In this case, it's free delivery. Click Next to proceed to Payment section. Here you will see your payment options based on your agreement with Madi International. In this example, it's a 60 days credit notice. Next, you will notice the available balance, which shows you the health of your account and payments or any dues. Below, you will also have an option to redeem your promotions and discount coupons. In this section, you can add previous items from a past order to this one. Lastly, you can review and process your order. Congratulations! Your order is placed. A copy of the purchase can be downloaded by simply clicking on this SO tracking link. Our B2B Digital team will take care of the operation and make sure your order reaches you in less than 24 to 48 hours. And that's it. Wasn't that easy? The Madi B2B store can be easily accessed around the clock through your mobile, PC, or tablet. It's especially built for your convenience and control. Madi International B2B Digital, bringing simplicity to you.